Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Lucy. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support your baby girl. Yes guys, I came with my full glory today. Like at them no day today, and that's from me. You guys should not mind me. So today guys, I'm jumping on this challenge. I was challenged by Cathy Chooks. Yes, she's a YouTuber. She challenged me on this particular challenge you guys will be seeing here. So let's hop right into this fun one. Okay, so enjoy this video. Yeah, so guys, she sent me the questions on WhatsApp, so I'll be asking. If you see me looking down, just know that I'm going to be looking into my phone so I can answer the questions. Okay, so the first one is, do you like blue cheese? What's blue cheese? I don't know, but I know cheese, and I don't even know if I'm using. I don't even know. I will not say that I don't like it because I don't use it. So that's my answer. So the second one is Coke or Pepsi. I go with Coke. Yeah. Third one, are you in a relationship? Yes. So I'm married. We are taking. Okay, we are taking. So whiskey or vodka? Anyone. I don't have a choice. Any of them. Okay. Hot dog or cheeseburger? Hot dog. Yeah. My favorite food. What's my favorite food? Do I have? If I start mentioning my favorite food, I don't even have any favorite food. Sam, you know how to cast. What is this? Is it our Q&A? It's not my own. My favorite food is catfish. My husband said it's catfish. Yes, I believe it's cat. I love catfish. Whether it's pepper soup, is roasted, is salad soup, white soup. I love anything catfish. So, what else? What is your AM drink? What is AM drink? Because give me AM drink.
Drink tonight, like maybe sky juice.
This man is cruise. My AM drink is lemon juice, lemon and ginger water. That's my AM drink because I don't know what is AM drink. Most man said, am I not the one that is doing smoothie challenge? Maybe leave me alone. The first thing I take in the morning is lemon and ginger water. Okay, so the next one is, can you do 100 push-ups? Nah, atarab jegole. I can't. One day, I can't, but I can try 10. 100. Favorite season? Okay, my favorite season is summer. Winter and summer. Jesus, I don't just know. Winter is too cold. Spring, not too cold, not too hot. I think it's spring. Okay, yeah. Summer is okay because I get to wear my singlet, my bunch short, be free from wearing all these winter jackets and other more. So the next question is favorite hobby. Yes, I love dancing. If you know me, just know that I love dancing, and I love looking good. Even though I don't take good care of myself these days, I don't just know why, but I love looking good. I love being in my comfort zone. My hobby, ask my hobby now. Yeah, my hobby is just dancing. I love dancing. Just know that I love dancing. Any type of dance, I love dancing. Yeah. So any tattoos? I don't get. Or is this one that I have here, is it tattoo? It's not tattoo now, it's not permanent. So I don't have any now, but I'll get later. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I do. Any nicknames? Yes, so I have nicknames. Firstly, you can call me Somzi, okay? You can call me Somzi, Somi, Somti, but my nickname is Somzi. Then the special name my mother-in-law gave me, the special name, Aruka Kwanwa. Yes, so any of them you choose to call me, I'm okay with it, okay? When you guys have given me Lulu, you guys say you gave me nickname on this YT, Lulu. I accept anyone that you feel like is okay for you. Lulu, Somzi, Somti, Somi, anyone, I will accept. I will call me Nga Zagi. So, favorite candy. I don't even love candy, do I? I'm not a fan of candy, okay? And do you believe in ghosts? Hey, I'm not Joe. Even though I'm a grown up, but I'm not Joe. Sha. Yes, it's not that I. I'm not just know that I'm always scared of ghosts. Who would love to see ghosts? Not me, because okay. Biggest downfall. What's my big? God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. I can never have a downfall. I can never have a downfall because God forbid. Ha! Please, I don't have any downfall. I can never, even if I have had it earlier, God forbid, I reject it. I can never have a downfall in my life. It's always up. Rain or snow. Snow. I love snow. Yeah. Any piercing. It's only this one that I have here. But we are still thinking about it, Sha. How old am I? My birthday is coming up soon. I don't know when this video is coming up. Either when my birthday have passed, but I know it's going to be this May. My birthday is on 12th of this May, of this month. So on that day, you just know how old I'm going to clock. Okay. Yes. French fries or onion rings. French fries. Any children? Yes, Kobe. Of course, you guys know. Favorite color? Black and red. I love red. If you guys know, you know that most of my outfit is red, 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 red. I can never get tired of red. I love red, and it suits my skin. Of course, you can see it on my nails here. Okay. What else again? Can you sing? I don't know how to sing, but I love singing, and I know how to dance. Yes, but singing, I don't know how to sing, but I love singing. Yeah. Can you whistle? Of course. Name could be here. Where were you born? I was born in Nigeria, Bethsaida Hospital in Onitsha. Yes. So, siblings. Yes, I have 6 siblings. Yeah. Can you cook? Period. Of course, you guys know. I don't even know. I don't even need to answer that one. You guys know I can cook. Yeah. Oh, you do Jeko. Yotago. Can you swim? Okotoriwa. I come my keja. Swim the bear. Nah, try me one do and kalama de atom sugar like this. Can't get you gummy can pema mbao. I don't know how to swim. Even if I go to the swimming pool, I'll just hang. I'll just be hanging around. I can never go near that place where go cross my leg, pass here my leg, pass here ukum, pass here my shoulders. No. What else? Prefer a shower or bed? Any of them. Come on, depending on the mood. Yeah. Are you religious? Would I say yes or no? Of course, yes. I believe in God. Yes, I believe in God. God is all, and God is the greatest. Yes. Are you a good friend? Am I supposed to answer that, or is someone supposed to answer that for me? I think someone is supposed to answer that. So tell me in the comment section, am I a good friend? I don't know, because if left for me, I will say yes, because no one will say he or she is a bad friend. I don't know. So I'm a good friend. So tell me if I am to you, okay? And any broken bones? No, I don't have. How many TVs do you own? Can everybody see me? Don't go there. TV or no TV, we get TV. Worst pain ever. Worst pain ever. Am I supposed to talk about that here? It's going to be another video. I'm not going to talk about it here. It's a long story. Okay. Do you like to dance? Yes. I love, it's not even like, I love dancing. Do you like camping? I've never camped. I don't even know what camping looks like. Like, I've not had that experience. Okay. So he said the last one is tag 6 friends to complete this challenge. Oh my god, who am I going to tag? I don't even know. I don't even know. So if you know, if you love this challenge, you want to jump on it, jump on it. Ujulin Space, Uzbechi. If you guys want to jump on because I've seen Divine um post about this video. So Divine have already posted her own. Nuzbechi, Julian Space, Nanya's Corner, Rosie Ketch. If you guys love something like this, jump on it. It's not. I'm not forcing anybody. Okay. Linda cannot do this challenge because Linda is doing asthma. I'm supposed to call her, but she cannot do this type of thing on her channel now. So Nuzbechi, Judith, Kiki, you guys should jump on this challenge. Okay. Jesus! My husband is a clown. Baby, get out. This way is because I used to call everybody one name one day. Now you are not using. Onyi is one name. Onyi is from Abate too. She's my main sister. Yes. Jane Yoniye. My husband they use you catch cruise. Catch him. Sabi they use you catch cruise. Onyi. Jump for this challenge, okay? This man, So guys, if you enjoy every bit of this video, give it a massive thumbs up, comments, and tell me what you think about this challenge. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.